Look at this traffic to go down on Jesus Christ! Oh my gosh! The traffic to get into Mandeville because of the one-way on Caledonia Road from Scotiabank to shopping center. Look at this traffic. Oh my gosh. Look at the traffic. No, this is ridiculous. No, look, I'm not even going this way, but I'm coming to see how far the traffic go. Backside. Oh my God. This is crazy. No man, I don't know if this one-way thing was a good idea at all. At all. Look at the traffic. It's still going.
It's right up to Ingleside.
But it passed Ingleside. Well, I'm glad to say a policeman in it so him can see what is going on.